press it now, guys. One was still, you know. What going on there, so the boy still look for me.
You know, I'm not hear nothing out there. It kind of cool down, you know. But we still have to be careful.
Just want a 3 weeks feel, man. Just 3 weeks more. Show them what they were God being served. They don't know what them do.
So you know, say you're boy them from over 14 then. Running on the side to them a run off.
Yeah. Now when them a look walk. If you don't say anything we're going to forget my percentage. I'm going to need more medication.
I mean, real talk, my G.
So I'm going for stone and eat this then. Them unite again.
Yo, the man them swear king man I do though. Positive more brother. See me? Man them just have to hold the gun brother. Hold them composure. You see me? A bag of wild thing dog, now go to work. You see me I did?
Vicious, you hear that?
Yeah, no, my badness come down.
Yeah, my brother man, and I know we have to go link top ranking over 14 and nation boss over 21. You get to me I say, and make them know what time it is, because remember, you know, we can't live for none of them, you know. I say peace I go keep firm, you hear me I tell you?
See that? Still there fix up right now. So what we need to do right now, you know, Father, we need to get the talent them. Enough talent there in the community. You see me? So we can show them say, yo, that's badness alone we are dealing with.
Vicious, you hear that?
You know my badness come down, man.
I go on like a paper thing about badness come down.
I'll be a man finger depending on you.
Yo, just make sure you make everything register in your brain. Can't afford to slip up. Can't afford to make King Man look away.
Yeah, man. And then me I run off the site, man. I work for a big man.
See what me I tell you? Them boy they just want all of the big food and give bad man scraps. How them take this for? Make them not give 14 and work and then see what go on.
I go and see what go on, man. Remember say them don't know say me and you link, you know.
I'm afraid I used to, you know. I am stingy. Oh, but I am vicious and I'm a web man. Yeah. Because I make a con some shot in a bit. Believe me when I tell you. Nah, I say no more.
You may tell them man, you know. It is. So after the linkage one with the dandem. I keep a pace to that. It's the my day. Kind of lovely thing out here. See the side thing, you know. Don't want the man them too loud, you don't want to shut off fire. So in a way. One thing deep on a level. Understand? So I pay straight it. Party I bring back the community.
That's right.
Really?
So it
See,
is.
right, that's that.
I forget linkage with them, man. You see me? And that to that. You see me?
Word, man. Yeah, that.
Peace. Such a beautiful thing.
I'll go back on the ground to see what I go on. Yeah, heads up tomorrow. Yeah, report. See you?
What you got?